Hello guys, this is Derek from Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Today I'd like to bring you to this lovely condo located in the city of Moraga. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo unit on the first floor with a lot of potential. Let me show you around. Hey guys, thanks for taking a tour. So what do you think? Can you see the potential with this beautiful unit? For more information, please check out our website or give me a call. We'll see you there. Thank you.